Okay, if you guys are interested in HVAC systems, here I have one right here. I don't know what mine is. Mine's unbranded, but I'm assuming since the air consumer or the thing, I don't know how. I'm not too into air conditioners as much as other people are, but I have gotten some requests on doing a video of my HVAC system. So yeah, the outside unit is a Goodman, so. Not sure what the HVAC system is, unit is, but yeah. It's got a older Honeywell thermostat. There's also another thermostat downstairs. This one is a Burnham, and this one goes to the furnace, which is downstairs in the basement, which I will go down there and show. Pardon the mess down here. Right here. See, we got a Burnham furnace. Let it go back up. Back. And I'm gonna go upstairs and I'll turn it on. And you can kind of get a view of the outdoor unit right down there. I can't go outside right now, so. Alright. I will turn this. Oh, never mind. This is not a Honeywell thermostat. This is a White Rogers. Alright, I'm gonna set this to 70. Hopefully it'll turn on. There we go. There it is on. I'm just gonna set it down just a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, that thing works really well. See, you got air vents here in every room. That one, there's one in here, and one in here. Yeah, so I just thought I would show my HVAC system off. Hope you enjoyed.